Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Hopley. We're going to be doing number 2 today from your independent work, practicing subtraction across zeros. So the equation is 1020 minus 986. So I'm going to use my graph paper to put a digit in each box and then skip a line and put 986, the number I'm taking away. So since I only have a 3-digit number on the bottom, I'm going to have nothing underneath my thousands place. And then I'll put my equal sign. So I'm using the structure of the graph paper to help me keep my equation nice and neat and tidy. Okay, so I know since we're doing subtraction across zeros, there's going to be lots of regrouping. And I'm always going to start in the ones place. So first things first, can I do 0 minus 6? No, I can't take 6 away from 0. Can't take anything away from 0 actually, except for 0. So I go over and look at the next place, which is the tens place. Can I take one of these tens and exchange it for some ones? I could, but then I'm going to have 1 10 minus 8 tens. I also have 0 minus 9 here in the hundreds place. So I'm going to start by doing all of my regrouping at the beginning, so then I can just go through and subtract. That means I'm going to come all the way over here to the thousands place. I had 1,000. If I exchange it for hundreds, I'll have 0 thousands left. I had 0 hundreds, but I'm taking 1,000 and exchanging it for hundreds. So I want you guys to think. Let me shimmy this in. If I have 1,000, this big old 1,000 cube, how many hundreds is that? 1,000 is 10 hundreds. I had 0 hundreds, so that means I have 10 hundreds now. Okay, but I still can't work in the tens or ones place, so I regroup again. I have 10 hundreds. I need to exchange one for some tens. If I take 1 away from 10, that leaves me with 9 hundreds. So now I'm going to go over here to the tens place. I had 2 tens. I'm taking 100. What is 100 equal to in tens? 10 tens. But I have 2 tens. So 10 plus 2 is 12 tens. But again, I still can't work in the ones place. So I need to take a 10. I had 12. If I take one, that will leave me with 11 and exchange it for some ones. What is 110 equal to in ones? 10 ones. I had 0, so that means I only have 10. So let's do something really quick. We had, let me shimmy over here, 1,020 as our original total. Now we have 9 hundreds, 11 tens, and 10 ones. This all should be equal to 1,020. Let's see, 9 hundreds is 9 times 100, which is 900. Can we see that? Barely. 11 tens is 11 times 10. I know 11 times 1 is 11. Affix 1 0 is 110. And then 10 ones is 10. Let's see if this all equals 1,020, our original total in standard form. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 2. 9 plus 1 is 10. Yeah. So 9 hundreds, 11 tens, and 10 ones is equal to 1,020. It's just a different way to name that same amount so we can subtract using the algorithm. All right, now that we did all our subtraction at the beginning, or all our regrouping at the beginning, we're ready to subtract. I can do 10 minus 6. That's 4. I can do 11 minus 8. That's 3. I can do 9 minus 9. That leaves me with 0. And 0 thousandths minus nothing is also 0. So it gives me 34 as an answer. All right, I know to be a really precise mathematician, I'm always going to want to check with the inverse. That means I take my difference, 34, plus the number we were subtracting, 986, and it should give me the total if I did my math correctly. Let's see, 4 plus 6 is 10. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 8 is 12. 1 plus 9 is 10. Did I get my total? Yes. So the inverse worked. All right, I'm going to box off my work here, and I'll be ready to move on to question number 3. Good luck, everybody.